Hey y'all, welcome to Check Your Shorts Friday. We got a new tool here, and I'm going to show you what we picked up here. So this is a automotive circuit tester, and it will do from 3 to 72 volts, it's pen style with a buzz. Let's get this thing opened up here. Looks just like a regular normal old test light here, but if you all look here, it's got a little digital voltmeter in there. So, and it has polarity. So let's get over here and I'll put it on a 6-volt battery I got sitting here. It's brand new, and we'll test her out. All right, y'all, got that on the negative cable there. We're gonna put this one on the positive, and 6.2, little red light lights up there. It shows that we have the positive on the tip on the thing on the positive terminal, and it's showing 6.2 volts. So I'm going to switch it around and show you what it looks like when you reverse the polarity. There y'all, got that on there, and let's put that on there. We got a little double beep, little green light there. I don't know if you guys, this thing will pick it up. And it shows that it's on the negative. The tip of the test probe is on the negative, 6.2, and actually tell that the beep's different. So that's really cool. I like this. All right, y'all. That's going to do it for Check Your Shorts Friday. Be on the lookout for a giveaway on the channel. This one of these is going to be part of the giveaway. I bought 2 of them. One for my use here at my daily job and at home, and then one to give away. And we're going to be giving away a complete electrical diagnostic kit, battery tester, voltmeter, volt ohm meter, and this little test light here. So if you guys got any ideas on how we should be giving it away, hit me up in the comments down there, and we'll do that. So take care. Have a great Friday.